Hello students, here we are solving a question which is based on the topic of work, power and energy. The question here is a man weighing 50 kilogram force supports a body of 25 kilogram force on his head. What is the work done when he moves a distance of 20 meter up an incline of 1 in 10? Take G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So first we draw the diagram to see what the question is. The inclined surface, this is an inclined surface in which if height is 1 meter, then inclined is 10. And this is angle theta. And the displacement of the body along this inclined surface will be S, that is equals to 20 meter. So the body is being displaced. If we consider a body placed on this surface, so the weight of the body will be vertically downward, mg, and this is perpendicular to the surface. So this component will become, now this will also be the angle theta. This component will become mg cos theta. And in this direction component will be mg sin theta. So when the displacement is to be taken in the upward direction, so force has also to be applied in the upward direction. So now we see what is given to us. Given is mass of man is equals to 50 kilogram force and mass of body is equals to 25 kilogram force and displacement is equals to 20 meter, and from diagram we can see sin theta is equals to 1 upon 10. So now we see solution for this question. The force that has to be applied should be equals to the minimum value which is should be equals to the which is in the opposite direction. So force that has to be applied is mg sin theta. Therefore work done is equals to F dot S. Since force and displacement are in the same direction, so it becomes Fs cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, so this is Fs. So therefore work done is force into displacement, or that is equals to force is equals to mg sin theta into displacement s. Now the total mass will be equals to equals to 50 plus 20 kilogram force. So 50 plus 20 into g is 9.8. Sin theta is 1 upon 10 and displacement is 20. So on solving this is 70 into 9.8 into 2. So solving this we get this comes out to be 1470 joule. So what is the answer? Work done by man is equals to 1470 joule. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.